Hi guys, so if you watch this full video, you will learn how to nuke your entire Discord server. In fact, entire Discord, because nuke means um, destroy everything. So yeah, exactly. This is what we are going to do. We will basically nuke our Discord. So we will do that without the admin's permission. And you must be wondering why I'm taking so much time with this video in the intro part, because now YouTube Shorts have grown up to 3 minutes. So if I don't create this video up to 3 minutes, it will be included in the shorts, and I don't want to do that. So that's that. Okay, now let's move on to the real thing, the real deal, how to nuke your server. Okay, so for that, we'll be using a bot. So let's move on to our screen. Okay, on Google, search for XENON bot Discord. You will just search that and you will find this link and just open the very first link. And okay, now this is the bot we will add to our Discord server. Okay, so this is our Discord here, and in the other tab we open this. Okay, now just click add to Discord. Okay, now it will ask you which server you want to choose. So of course, pick the right one. So I'm gonna pick the test server here, and then just hit continue. And then of course, you have to tell them that you're the administrator, of course. So just authorize, and then okay, now it has been added to your server. So if I move back to my test server here. Okay, now it has been added to the test server of my Discord. Now there's a secret prompt that you have to give to your Discord. So this I'll link that in the description as well. So you have to basically copy that. So let's copy it. So it is in the description. Just copy it, and then come here and just paste that into your messages. Sorry, I did it 2 times. Okay, now just hit enter, and now it will ask you that whether it will give you the warning that are you sure you want to do that? So your roles will be deleted, your channel will be deleted, your roles, load roles, load channel, load settings, everything will be deleted. So if you hit continue, so it will again tell you how much roles are going to be deleted. So 4 roles and 1 role and 6 channels and everything will be. So if you hit confirm, everything will be nuked. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.